You will turn heads in this 2004 Mercedes-Benz C-Class 4-door wagon from Herb Chambers Flagship Motor Cars. Let the acceleration push you into the charcoal leather seats as you put the pedal down to the 2.6-liter 6-cylinder 18-valve engine. Mill through its 5-speed automatic transmission to its all-wheel drive with locking differential. Then put the windows down and turn up the tunes with the audio system security, cassette player with auto reverse, AM/FM stereo and more. In addition to getting you there fast, this coupe will also get you there safely with 4-wheel ABS brakes, front ventilated disc brakes, first and second row curtain head airbags and more. We would love to talk to you more about the C-Class. Please contact us for more information.